Malware attacks, particularly ransomware attacks, are on the rise, and their effect can cripple an organization for weeks. When an attack occurs, the FBI notes that best practice dictates to first quarantine or delete the infected files to stop the ransomware from spreading, and then to use a third-party recovery tool to restore the pre-infected data back into your account. Spanning Backup or G Suite protects your Google Drive, including Team Drives, from these malicious attacks by automatically backing up your users' data every day, so that you can easily restore data to a pre-infected state. Restoring backed up Google Drive data with spanning in the event of a ransomware attack is a simple process. Here's how it works. As an admin user, log into your Spanning Backup or G Suite account. Click the Viewing As drop-down menu, and then select the user account for who you want to restore data from. Click the Restore button and then the Drive tab to see all backed up Google Drive data for this user. Using the Calendar Date selector, choose a backup date from before the ransomware infection occurred to restore data from. Spanning offers true point-in-time backups, so the file and folder structure displayed here is identical to the way it was on your selected backup date. Spanning backs up all the data in your My Drive, Team Drives, and shared folders, so you know that you can restore any of your desired data. Select the My Drive folder, and you'll see that the folder and subfolder hierarchy has been preserved from your selected backup date. You can search the files you would like to restore using the search bar or by browsing the displayed backed up items. Click the calendar icon next to a particular file or folder to view all versions of this item that have ever been backed up. Since Spanning also backs up metadata along with drive data, Spanning allows you to view the details of the files and folders, including sharing settings, modified date, and path. Select all the data in your My Drive folder that you want to restore. If the ransomware or malware has infected both your My Drive and Team Drives data, you can restore backed up data from both your My Drive and Team Drives in the same restore. To do so, simply click the Team Drives folder and then select all of the files and folders that you want included in the restore. When ready, click the Restore button. You can then determine if you want to restore sharing settings. If enabled, all the selected data will also be restored to the users that the files were shared with at the time of backup. When ready, click the Done button. Spanning allows you to restore from any point-in-time backup without having to export the data, re-upload it back into a user's account, and then manually put back sharing settings, which saves you significant time and resources. When the restore is complete, you will be able to see your restored data in the user's Google Drive. The My Drive data will be restored into the user's account into a newly created Restored folder, and the Team Drive's data will be restored into the source Team Drive into a newly created Restored folder. If that Team Drive no longer exists in the user's account, Spanning will recreate the Team Drive. Finally, move the data from the Restored folder in Google Drive to your desired location. In addition to restoring backed up data into your live Google Drive account, you can also export backed up drive data from any point-in-time backup to your local computer by selecting the desired files or folder and clicking the Export button. The best way to see how easy it is to back up and restore your Google Drive's data is to try it. Go to the G Suite Marketplace or Spanning.com to try it free for 14 days. Do it before ransomware attacks.